Hi there, my beautiful audience. Welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to import and export a bookmark from Google Chrome browser. So you can see that I'm right now in my Chrome browser. So I'm gonna show you that how to import or export bookmarks. So first of all, we should click on the three dot button. So I'm gonna hit on that, and you can see here bookmarks and a list. Okay, just point your mouse pointer on that and you'll see here bookmark manager. So hit on that. All right, so we are right now in our bookmarks. So you can see that I have some bookmarks here. So I'm gonna show you how to import or export. So right click on that three dot menu and you can see here import bookmarks and export bookmarks. So I'm gonna export first, then hit on the save button, and we are done. And the same way we can import a bookmark from here. Just hit on the three dot menu and import bookmark. Then we can choose our file and hit on the open button, and we are done. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up and stay tuned with 1 Minute School. Enjoy.